Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I know that not everybody is still yet on Windows 11, and a lot of you are on Windows 10 with the extended security updates. And a question that I got today, and I'm expecting more of these might actually be asked in the future, is so now we are halfway through that extended year for Windows 10, and for the consumer, that is the only year. So we got 6 months left, and the question that was asked is, do you think Microsoft could say, well, we're going to extend another year because there's still a lot of people on Windows 10? Um, and my personal feeling on this is that no, there won't be an extension. The year is going to be over, and it's going to be okay. Move on to Windows 11 for Microsoft. Now, of course, there's a zero patch, and you can go and pay for the extended zero patch updates if you wish to continue using Windows 10, and it'll be fine. But I don't expect Microsoft to offer any extension. As I think that's one of the big reasons why Microsoft is trying to fix Windows 11 to make people happier, to convince the Windows 10 users that haven't moved yet to go to Windows 11. And also, the other thing in that question, and it's a very valid question, is this year the PCs are very expensive due to the shortage of RAM and, of course, the high prices of DRAM, SSDs, and so on, which will definitely make the sales of PCs go down. And I think that will not impact the decision of Microsoft of just ending there. But we know Microsoft sometimes backs off. Who knows what could happen? But honestly, I do not believe that that will be extended after the end in 6 months. Like I said, you want to keep your Windows 10 machine, you can go to zero patch, and that will be fine. Honestly, it will continue giving you updates. You'll stay safe. And as long as the other software that you use, the browser, for example, like Google Chrome, continues to support Windows 10 and have security updates, it's fine. When even when you use zero patch, when the other software like Google Chrome, they stop issuing security updates. Now that is where maybe it's going to be time to think about moving on. Google Chrome will definitely offer updates for a while, as well as Firefox and many other browsers. But there will be a time when they're going to say, okay, enough is enough. So this is my take on what's going to happen with the Windows 10 security updates. I think Microsoft is going to say, nope, 1 year was enough. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.